Good morning, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on May 5th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require a lot of risk. Okay, so we're going to go over the OTCs and the daily market for May 4th, 2015. Okay, we're going to start off with the OTC markets. Libe, ticker symbol LIBE, Liberated Energy. This is a stock that we gave out last week. We actually put it on our weekly watch list this week. We saw a higher low of 15. Last week, it actually triggered for us at 0.0012. This was a pretty good move here. We saw a low of 0.0011. Not too many shares went at that level. What we liked about this entry was that this was pretty much serving as a massive support. If you see here, back in March 23rd, you had a test of this 0.001513 level, and you ended up seeing a high of this 0.01139, so close to 0.014. Now what you're seeing is bottom consolidation here. You had a huge volume day on Friday. Okay, there were some shares being sold. I know that they put out filings. They were talking about some debt being paid off, and what we want to see for this stock is higher lows. Okay, we want to see is this pivot break, which we mentioned here, close above 18 on 2 consecutive closes. If you do that, that's going to be your new standing support. So traders that are not in this, what we're looking for is a close above this 18 level today. Okay, if you do get a close above 18, what this is going to be, it's going to act as support. So any pullback down to this level 18 will be a good re-entry level. What we're looking for is a close above that 0.002, which is that 8-day moving average. Okay, and then that potential test of that 0.004 level. Okay, just a good reversal here thus far. What you want to see is this stock hold this closing price of 16. Okay, this stock has not yet closed below 16. Okay, so that's your pretty much your massive support. If you want to add, look at that 15 to 18 level with a stop close below 15 on 2 consecutive closes if you're not in. Okay, if you want to add some on the ass, you can, but just adjust your levels. Okay, moving on, the DIRV, this was a stock that we sent out post-reverse split back in March. It gave us an opportunity to enter from 15 to 25. Since then, okay, the stock has hit a high of 0.0184. Now what we're looking at is the 50% retrace levels from that close. Okay, this was the close high over here was at 0.014. So watch that 0.005 to 0.007 level for a pullback if it does come back. 21-day moving average right now is at 0.005, and an 8-day moving average is at 0.0068. So watch any kiss of that level for that re-entry. What you can do is you can place your stop close below that 0.005 level on 2 consecutive closes. Okay, and then your next support will be that 0.004 level. Okay, ultimately, this stock is still in a nice bullish uptrend channel. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you look to add. If it does pull back down to this bottom of this trend line, I think it would be a good entry on these levels. Okay, so this is the setup for the DIRV if you guys want to enter this stock. Another stock is Ifxy. I gave this 25 to 35 last week. It hit a high of 0.0057. Now it's testing a new low, 0.0022, but it held. We had a huge volume day yesterday, so what we could see is some bottom consolidation here. Buying in this box pattern should bode well. If the stock closes below 0.002 on 2 consecutive closes, you guys can get out. But ultimately, I think that we have upside here. You had news here on HEMP last week, low share structure stock. I do feel that this stock can close above this pivot box pattern. Look for that close here above that 0.003 level. If you do, okay, I would not be surprised for this to retest this 0.006 level again. Okay, moving on to the Cmgo. Cmgo was a stock that we sent out. It actually triggered again at 19. The buy zones were here were at 0.0021. Okay, then it hit a high of 0.0049. Since then, we retested new lows at 19, and then we tested at 38. Pulled back, it tested this 50 and this 20-day moving average at 27.28. Held. Okay, yesterday's low was 29 and closed at 37 for a nice close. What we want to see is this stock test this 0.00 49 level. If you do break above it, okay, that's when we could see this potential gap fill here at 0.006 to 7. Okay, so we got that gap fill 7 to 8 I put here. So it's just all dependent on whether this stock can move higher. If it does consolidate a little bit, just watch for a possible bullish inside flag pattern. Okay, you got bullish inside flag pattern potential there. If it does pull back, okay, watch that 0.0025, okay, to 0.0028 re-entry level, and then keep your stops close. Close below 0.0025 on 2 consecutive closes. Ntlk was a stock that was mentioned in the chat room. Okay, this was a stock that gave an opportunity last week to enter at 0.003 levels. Okay, I thought that this was going to test that 0.002 range. I was thinking about sending it out, but this was just kind of thin. Okay, yesterday we saw a high of 0.019. Okay, when it was mentioned in the chat room, it gave an opportunity to enter at that 0.005 level. Remember, if these stocks are sent out in the chat room, just place your stops near your entry level, okay, for that scalp. Okay, so traders that want to scalp these trades can look to scalp the trades. Just make sure that you have a stop, in mind. Okay, right now what I'm looking at is this 0.005 to 0.006. Okay, that's your support. That's your big strong support at the 8 and 21 day moving average. Ultimately, watch that 0.01 level for a support. Sometimes these things kiss that 0.01 level, and it could offer an entry at 0.007 or 0.008 for a retrace level, and then bounce higher and then retest that 0.019 high. So you may be able to scalp here. So just keep an eye on the Ntlk. It did put out news yesterday, so I would not be surprised for this stock to continue a move. Okay, the ATHI. Okay, this is a do it again, rinse and repeat trade. Yesterday it gave an opportunity to enter lows of 0.001. Okay, on the level 2 it was pretty thin. You had some considerable buys. If you see this is a huge volume day here on the ATHI. Okay, this is a big volume bar. So watch this 0.0016 be tested this week. If it does, I would not be surprised for this to break close above 25, and then potential retest of this this high here at 0.004. Okay, so I think that ATHI is a good buy around this range. Next one is SHOM, ticker symbol SHOM. Okay, it gave an entry at 0009 to 11 last week on a probability trade. Pivots 0.0015. You got to stop close below 0008 on 2 consecutive closes. Okay, what I'm seeing here is a wedge pattern here. Okay, you're seeing some volume here being bought up. Okay, this stock recently posted a new raised authorized shares. Okay, I think it's baked in the cake. That was news sent out April 8th. Okay, this is a stock that right now is testing 52-week lows. As always, you always have a risk reward here. Okay, but buying at the 0009 level, okay, you're ensured that with a stop close below 8 2 times, you're only taking about a 20% risk. Okay, that's called a probability trade. This is what our traders understand as a probability trade. Okay, if the stock closes above 14 on 2 consecutive closes, we could see a test of this 18 level and a potential retest of this 0.003 level. Okay, but if the stock closes below this 0008 or 0009 on 2 consecutive closes, depending on what your stop is, then you just simply stop out. Okay, these stocks do not require any train of thought. You either have two options. You can either stop out with a small loss, or if the stock breaks close above 14 on 2 consecutive closes, then it trades higher. Okay, this is where we train and educate traders here in RSP.com. So I just want traders to understand, how we trade these stocks. We don't pay attention to the noise. Okay, if the stock saw some filings and they raised shares, just remember that VTEQ trade. This was a stock that we talked about in a meeting, and we also put it on the watch list, and we gave it at 0.001. Okay, they raised authorized shares to 20 billion. Okay, and the stock still rallied and saw a high of 0.03, way over 2,000% from entry. So this is how the markets trade. You never know. Everything is speculative. At the same time, what you're looking at is to buy these stocks at zones and when the stocks are hated. Usually when the stocks are hated, they rally. when you start hearing the bashers, you start hearing traders saying that the stock is no good, usually that's the time to buy. Okay, if the stock, again, if it closes below 9 2 times, or it closes below 8 2 times, or depending on your stop close, then that's what you're going to take. Okay, it's just simple as that. You know, you have two options. This is why you trade. Okay, everything is a risk. Okay, moving on to the small caps. This week we gave out Xgti. We had a bit of a gap up. Okay, we noticed the gap up in the morning, and this thing hit a high of 0.00555, or actually 54 cents. Hit a high of 55 cents, closed at 54, okay, near the high of the day, saw a low of 0.004. So watch this continue, okay. You may not see a pullback here, okay. You may see a little bit of a bullish flag here set up, okay. So if it does pull back, watch this level here at that 0.003 to that 0.30 to 45 level. If it hits that 0.30 to 45 level, could be a re-entry level here. Just watch for some consolidation here. This was a considerable move here on the Xgti. Okay, we gave that entry from 20 to 26. Never happened. Okay, but the stock did start gapping up, and it gave an opportunity to enter. Okay, so now watch any pullback down here to this 40 level. Okay, and if it kisses that 40 level, watch that 35 level. Okay, because if it does kiss that, I would not be surprised for this to start setting up a bullish inside flag pattern. Okay, look, is another stock that we gave out. It gave an opportunity to enter as low as 114. We were looking to stop out yesterday. They actually had filings, and then the stock rallied. So it gave it an opportunity. We triggered at $1.26 on April 29th. It actually pulled back down to that $1.14. And since then, we saw a high of $1.53. Just a great move. Okay, sometimes these levels get kissed. Remember that. Okay, but still ultimately gave a nice opportunity to re-enter this stock. Okay, so now what we're looking for is any inside bullish flag pattern here, consolidation, and a break above this $1.60 level. If we do get that, I would not be surprised if we test that $2.20 range. Okay, the AKS continues to just trade very well. Okay, this was a stock that was given opportunity to enter as low as $3.67. Okay, the stock then rallied, hit a high of $5.47, and now it's consolidating here. Okay, watch for this stock to consolidate and break close above this $5.50 range. If it does, what we're looking for is this $6.50 range, and then that $7 range. Okay, so the AKS continues. This is a weekly chart, so this is a longer term play. Okay, the Rxii, this was a stock that was gave an opportunity to enter at 61 cents. Hit a high of here at about at 69 cents, and now it's pulling back at 67 cents, but it's closing above this box pattern. Now what we're looking for is this close above 70 cents. If it closes above 70 cents, okay, we're looking for a move higher. We had a high of 75 cents here on May 1st. Okay, that's what we want to check, and we want to try to break, is that 75 cents. Overall, you see this RSI bouncing off this bottom. Okay, so you have higher lows here. Okay, I do expect this stock to see a potential gap fill of this 80 cents. Okay, so right now, traders that added at 61 to 65 cents are looking good. Okay, just a good trade for the small caps. And like I said, you know, we're not just a one-trick pony. We're giving out setups for small caps, OTCs, and the options. Moving on to the options, we gave an opportunity to enter here. Okay, last week at 207, that actually triggered from our watch list. Then we gave the stock here on an open at 209.34. It was trading above that 21-day moving average, and then it hit our level of 210.50 with a high of 210.77. We had a high of 212 yesterday. 212.02 gave an opportunity to sell into that rally. Just a beautiful move on the SPY. Okay, and stay tuned because you know, we do expect this to test new highs. Okay, the Qs. This was another one that gave an opportunity to enter here at the lows. Okay, gave an entry here at lows about 107 level. Okay, and now since then we saw a high of that 109.91. Just a great trade. I talked about seeing this Q right here. The Q's getting scalped to 108.10 to 109.20, and that's exactly what we did. We saw 109.91 yesterday. Okay, so you trade the levels. You know, you avoid the hype. People are saying that the markets are going to come down crashing. We don't think so. We're abiding by what the chart is telling us. Okay, IWM gave an opportunity to enter here at that 121 level. Okay, yesterday we saw a high of 123.35. Okay, what did we talk about? Our target 2 was 123.80. Kind of kissed it. And now what we're looking for is some consolidation here before a move and test of this 124.80 level. Okay, remember, these trend lines are holding. You got higher lows. Nothing has broken down yet. Okay, so I want traders to understand that concept. Okay, that's about it. If you have any questions or you want to do a one-on-one, just email me at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. You want to sign up for a free trial. Remember, we don't alert. Okay, what we do is we give out some educated training. We also give charts. We tell traders how to set up these setups. Try to avoid the hype. There's a lot of hype out there, and we're not trying to be the same as everybody else. We're not just a social media thing where we just launch ticker symbols and just start wowing and weeing. All right, we do something totally different here. So if you expect that, just stick to what you're doing. If you want to learn how to trade the markets, if you want to learn how to do setups, if you want to learn how to do options, you want to do small caps and OTCs, and be a little bit more diversified in how you trade, then join us here at radiosilentplay.com. Okay, have a good day, everyone.